Good morning, Internet. So it's Friday morning, really quite chilly here, just above freezing. Impromptu day off because I worked some of last weekend, so I'm having the time back today, and I'm going to crack on and get some of the work done that I should have done last Sunday. As you know, I was intending on, after the work I did on Saturday, I was intending to crack on and get the back end sorted, back on the bike with the lights and the indicators on my new brackets, or my new modified brackets. And unfortunately I didn't get time to do that because it was absolutely lashing down with rain. It was torrential last weekend, and when I got up on Sunday morning, I had to go over to my offices just to check that we hadn't got any flooding through the roof, and thankfully it wasn't too bad. But yeah, so I spent quite a bit of the day working, so didn't get to do any bike. So I'm going to get the Sunday's work done today, and let's see how we go. I've got to clean this up a bit. It's a bit nasty. Get that on the bracket with the new lens, get the indicators on, get them back on the bike, get the wiring done, and let's see how we go. So stick with me and let's crack on. Thank you. Hey internet, so as I say, just a quick one this morning. I've got to go out and do some IT stuff, so you know, which is my proper job really. And isn't it looking good? You know, I mean this isn't fixed yet because I've still got to finish the wiring, and I can't finish the wiring under the back cowl because it's for the indicators, and the wiring's slightly different on these new ones than the old ones. So I need to get the ignition on really, so I can make sure I'm connecting the left button up for left and etc. So yeah, it's just loosely placed on for now. But with the rear mud guards back on and what have you, you know, under there, I think I'm really pleased with how the rear lights look on the back. That all looks super new. The brackets come out really nicely. The modifications to that work really well. So yeah, it's really starting to come on, isn't it? So might get some more time on it later this afternoon. I don't know how long I'll be out, probably not too long. And then yeah, it's cracking on with the wiring again still. So like I said last time, it's going to be a bit piecemeal really. So as I you know, I want to get the battery connected, but I want to make sure there's no shorts or anything. I don't want to, you know, cause any problems or blow too many fuses while I'm doing that. But yeah, so all good. Super. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I'll see you later. Bye.